Hi everybody, I hope you're all okay. I hope it's nice and sunny outside today. We are missing you lots and lots, but I've got a different kind of story for you today. I've got the big book of blooms this time. And blooms is another word for plants or flowers. So we're going to look at some of those today. And it is written by Yuval Zoomer. Let's have a look inside. I've gone to my contents page first of all, and it says what's inside, and there's things about flower anatomy that we already know about from our project. I think we're going to start off with a Venus flytrap. So I remember we learned some things about this when we went on our trip to the Botanical Gardens, but I think this might be a nice refresher for us. So Venus flytrap is on page number 16. 16 has 6 ones and 1 10. 16, here it is. 16, it says Venus flytraps. What's on the menu for a Venus flytrap? This fearsome little plant is a carnivorous and will not only eat flies but also beetles and slugs and spiders and even tiny frogs, although ants are its favourite. It says tasty. Ooh, I think I'd like to eat any of those things. The one and only. There is just one species of Venus flytrap and it lurks in the subtropical wetlands on the east coast of the USA of America. Going once, twice. A trap can only open for and close a few times before it dies and falls off. The plants will then grow a new trap from underground stems. Make it snappy. With leaves that close like a clamshell, this plant can snap itself shut and form a perfect trap. Snap. Caught in a trap. When an insect brushes against more than 2 of its hairs on the inside of each leaf, on the inside bit here, it triggers the trap to snap shut in less than a second. That's very quick, isn't it? Let's go back to our contents page and let's have a look at one more plant, one more bloom. I think we'll look at sunflowers. It's nice and sunny here today, and sunflowers are nice and cheery, aren't they, for summer? So it's on page number 32. 32 is 10s and 1s. Has got 2 1s and 3 10s. 32. Sunflowers. How much does a sunflower need? That's a very good question. A sunflower needs at least 6 hours of sunshine a day. The more it gets, the better the sunflower grows. It turns to follow the sun throughout the day and catch as much light as possible. Don't get dizzy. One sunflower head is made up of more than 1,000 to 2,000 tiny flowers called florets. They grow in a spiral pattern. Here it is. Scrumptious seeds. Sunflower seeds take 80 to 100 days to ripen, and they're a tasty snack for mice. My, how you've grown. The sunflower is one of the fastest growing plants, reaching heights of 1.5 to 3 metres within 6 months. Oh, goodness me. Spot the difference. Human grown sunflowers have thick stem with 1 large flower. Wild sunflowers have branch stems, little flowers, heads and small seeds. So all this has got 1 thick stem, so this must be grown by a human. And this plant here has got some branches coming off it with multiple flower heads. So this must be a wild sunflower. Hope you enjoyed our story for today.